Hi, welcome to my channel all about coding. Today we are going to talk about API. How do applications let you create an account and log in with your Facebook or Google credentials? Or how do your favorite weather forecasting app get today's weather forecast? The answer to both questions is API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. To make clear what an API is, let's take a real-life example. We can take an API as a waiter in a restaurant. When you order something, the waiter will take the request to the kitchen and bring back what you ordered. In this scenario, we can take you as the application who requests data. The waiter will be the API and the kitchen of the restaurant will be the server. Likewise, an API acts as a communication medium between two programs or systems for exchanging data. There are three basic forms of API. Number 1, Web API. Number 2, Local API. Number 3, Program API. Also, we can define a few other API like SOAP, REST, JSON RPC, XML RPC. API is famous today apart from the other communication protocols due to efficiency, flexible delivery of services, integration, automation. By now, you must have had a clear idea of what is API and how it works. Let's talk more details about API in upcoming videos, and thanks for watching. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see more of in the comments, and hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop.